What's going on? Boom, 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 boom. Oh man, I am. Boom. Yo, what up, Donald? What up? What up? Good morning, Roro. Sean. I am. So ridiculous. I'm trying to buy something and freaking. What was crazy was stock dropped a ton while I was trying to buy it. All right, I just got filled. Let me see what we're doing here. All right. I bought some VKTX and sold some calls against it. Nothing big, but premiums are freaking through the roof. Roof. Man, those are some big boy premiums. What up, David? What up? What up? The Yellow Brick Road. Yo, pretty good morning. That's for sure. That's definitely for sure. I'm just looking to put a. Did we get back down to? I mean, we get back down to here. I'm looking to load. I'm looking to load up. I don't know if we're gonna get down. You know what I wanted to see real quick? Where is at the actual VWAP? VWAP's at 140. So watch this. Oh yeah. I don't know if it's going to come back down. What up, Dora? Good morning. Good morning. How's everybody's day going so far? We're ripping it or what? What up, Keith? Oh, we're not getting. I was hoping we were going to pull back further, but I guess not. You're short bias today? I don't know. I have a feeling we don't really go. I don't know. I just feel like we're just going to kind of chop around till tomorrow, maybe. What up, Ace? Yeah, definitely. Definitely gonna get some movement. I'm definitely doing a stream tomorrow night for the election. I will have an election stream going on. Hang out, see the numbers, trade a little bit. I think it'll be fun. You think we're going all the way back down? It will be interesting. Boom, 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 boom. Come on. I'd like to see it come down to like 45 or at least touch the pivot point. Pivot point's at 53. This was so clean today. I don't know if anyone grabbed that. That was like a gimme. They're gonna flash it down and flash it back up. Going long here is risky. I like to live on the edge, Keith. I want to see it flash down. I'm not getting long here. I want to see him kind of flash it. If they don't flash it down, I'm probably not going to go long. I don't know if we're going to get it, though. Kind of seems like they're just going to scoop it up. I don't understand what's wrong. What's been wrong with my freaking? I gotta update my. I gotta update my freaking quant tower. Come on, pull back here. So I guess nuclear stocks is taking a monster poop because they can't. It's going to be harder than expected to do the. Dude, you know what's crazy? I'm just reading this guy's post. Very interesting. Tesla's energy business. No one even talks about it. All right. Let's get out of this freaking consolidation and make a move. Boom, 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 boom. Come on. Let's see. Does it hold the 34? I think we're going to get a flash in the pin. Full port short? Are you calling, Keith, are you calling grandma up, telling her to go short too? Telling everybody this is the play? Granny, time to go in. Why do I like the 34 EMA so much? I mean, you could just see it just bounces off of it consistently. I mean, if you played it, you would have gotten 1 bounce, 2 bounces, 3 bounces. Yo, what up, Sean? Let's see if it holds here. It looks weak. I want it to come back down because I'll make more money if it bounces down, if it comes low and then bounces. Weekend was busy, running around doing kid stuff all weekend. Quick 90 bucks. Yeah, I played it a little bit last night. I didn't. I wish I played more. I wish I played more. Um, Yesterday, in general, I felt like it moved a lot. Yesterday at what did I play? Oh, I played this drop, but this was I wasn't even watching. But I mean, you could just see it's kind of holding VWAP, and it's just getting super tight. That eventually it was going to move one way or the other hard. And once it started to pop out of the trend, I mean, you could have rode that for many points. Yeah, Asia was very tradable. I mean, you're getting the moves that you want at night now. I don't really trade much at night, but I don't really. What is the orange line? Would you ask who is the orange man? You don't know who the orange man is? The orange line is VWAP. I gotta scroll out sometimes because it will recalibrate. The script is like broke on TraderBait, so I gotta always double check. VWAP's at 141. Dude, the political memes are amazing now. Someone sent me one this morning talking about Orange Man. He's like, you don't want to vote for someone of color, vote for Orange Man or some shit like that. I was just like, I will miss the memes after the election. The memes, the reels, they're amazing. We'll get back to no political memes in like at the end of the week. Just no, I always had it. I always had this line. This is VWAP. Yeah, always had it. Always had it. Man, this is some chop. Chop cité. Did I change the color? At one point, maybe like 6 weeks ago, it was purple. But no, it's kind of been this color. Dude, this is just, it feels like it's just flagging up here. What up, sleeper? Yeah, I didn't change anything. I used this one. Chart configurations. Right here, CEVWAP. You get it in the community indicators. Yo, we're definitely doing an election stream without a shadow of a doubt over here. Election stream starting at 8 o'clock tomorrow night. I don't care who you vote for, whatever it is, I think just doing the stream during election and trading during the election would be pretty cool. Oh, baby. Well, I'm going to stream tomorrow at 10 a.m. at 10:30 a.m. till about noon. I'll stream, normal time, 2 o'clock to about 4:30, and then I'll pop back on at 8 o'clock at night for the election. Get the old election. Dude, it's gonna candles should be crazy. I would assume the candles are gonna be crazy. I would think it's gonna be volatility will be there. Degen election stream, pretty much. Pretty much. This thing gonna break out here? I was hoping to get a little bit lower, but maybe I just messed up and didn't get it. Feels heavy. I don't know. I mean, this is bullish. For me to even think about shorts, I feel like we're gonna have to go under 150. I think we got to go under 150. That's probably where I'm looking at. What's my feeling? Oh man, I think it's a coin toss. I think Trump would have beat Biden. I don't know if he's going to beat Kamala. Always in the air. What's up? Oh, Nizam, I'll check my email later on, man. I've been gone all weekend. All weekend, been gone. Been doing kid stuff. Busy. Damn, this is just going. I mean, it looked pretty good. I was hoping to get a better entry. I don't know, man. The big push behind Kamala. I don't know. I mean, I think you go for 40 points. Yeah. I mean, see what happens, Keith. I don't know. I mean, it looks more bullish, but you never know. But yeah, I don't know, F1, man. It just kind of seems. What's wild to me is that the Democrats didn't even vote on it. They just put her in. There was no process. Like there was no lead up process where usually you vote the person in. It was just shoved down people's throats, which is weird. I'd be kind of annoyed if I didn't get a chance. Like if I was a politician and I didn't get a chance to like go against a competitor to try to get my name out there, I would be freaking annoyed. You know, there's no primaries, there was no nothing. It was just shoved. This is the person we're rolling with, and that was it. Like, who decides that? That's what was crazy to me. But whatever. See what happens tomorrow. I'm sure the market's going to go crazy one way or the other, or a bunch of different ways. Probably get the markets all over the place. Big wick whacks up and down and freaking all over the place. I mean, this is the hourly orb right here. So maybe this is not a good trade. I don't want to say it's not a good trade, but I'm just saying that it's gonna. We came back, we swept. So we basically swept the highs. We basically swept the highs out of the zone, and we came back in. So I would say if we're going to reject, we're going to reject right here. But if we go back over, we're probably going to go up, up. Kind of what I'm looking at. Hey, I learned that Bull Knox allows swing trading. Did you know that? What allows you to hold overnight, Keith? Is that what you're talking about? Because if so, I could tell you some stories real quick. Some true degenerate stories on Bull Knox. Oh man. Yeah, are you talking about are you talking about swinging it overnight, like holding it overnight or over the weekend? You option 2 has a code here. I'll tell you what it is. You wanted option 2. Let's see what option 2 has. Option 2 has 45% off. Yeah. Yeah, option 2 has 45% off. Here's the code. Bull Knox is even better for allow. Yeah. So Keith, I used to I have in the past held quite a bit of contracts overnight at Friday close into Sunday and basically past accounts. The biggest issue I run into is the fee to the $150 fee. Yeah, trading funds. It's Cove Trader for, man, like every platform that has a coupon code, it's Cove Trader. Yeah, Bullnox has an activation fee of $150, or it's 148. But you could definitely do some stuff you can't do other places. What fee? After you pass your eval, to go to funded. That's why I tell people I like that's why I like the Take Profit Trader one right now. There's no fee, 40% off, no fee. But yeah, Bullnox is cool, man. They only have Rhythmic accounts though. That's, there's a couple drawbacks about Bullnox. Obviously, the Rhythmic only accounts and some of the, but customer service is great. Like, never really had an issue with them. It's definitely behind because you got to submit. You got to like manually submit for your funded account. You got to manually submit for payouts. It definitely only uses Rhythmic accounts, but you never hear that they're not paying anybody. I mean, I think the best firm out there, like all around, is Take Profit Trader. They pay same day. There's no payout windows. You could trade however you want. Like it's pretty whatever. I trade a lot of Apex because a lot of you guys trade Apex, so I mostly use it. But I would say Take Profit Trader, My Funded Futures, and Apex are like, yeah. How much is it with the discount? Well, Take Profit Trader has 40% off, which is, I think, makes it 105. But when you pass, you don't have to pay the 130 or like, in Bullnox's case, the 150 fee. There's no fee. So it's just you pay for the eval. There's no fee to go funded. That's the best deal to me that they're running currently. I don't know how long they're going to run it for or what. Last year, they had a deal that had 50% off resets of your funded account, which was interesting. But yeah. Keith, that's only on the 50K. When you go above the 50K, the fee goes even higher than 150. That's why I only do the 50Ks. Yeah. So for 105, if you pass the eval, you pay nothing and you're funded and there's no activation fee. So if you pass your first account, it's 105 for a funded account. Yep. That's why I like their deal currently. Man, this is one big freaking chop fest. My Funded Futures is the same way. My Funded Futures is like $80, but My Funded Futures has some rules about they have little scalping rules. Like I think they're great, but yeah, it's a little bit cheaper. but they have a couple more rules. While there is no consistency rule on the funded account in Take Profit Trader. So if you go ahead and, I don't know, like argument's sake, we hit the pivot point right here. Say you just went freaking balls deep, 6 contracts, and you rode that up. I mean, you could pull out your $10,000 today. Like, then, you know, there's no consistency rule. So some people just freaking slam the account when they get funded to try to get those massive payouts. We had a guy in here take a massive payout like twice in a week. I think he took out $8,000 and like $10,000. Yeah, there's no payout windows. They pay you same day. It's pretty freaking. That's what I'm saying. Is every firm has a little bit different rules, but like I made a video about it this weekend. Like if you're not profitable over here, you're probably not going to be profitable over here. You know, you focus on making quality trades, and then once you're making quality trades, you know, go to whatever firm fits what you're looking to do. Like if you're looking to slam contracts and get paid same day and get paid every day, Take Profit Trader will do that for you. Man, we're back over the hourly orb. But yeah, I mean, Keith, look how it rides to 34. I mean, we're just riding this bad boy. Riding it, riding it. That's why I use it. But yeah, no prop firm is perfect. This trash dumps. Maybe. I thought we were done right here. We swept the highs, and I thought we were going to roll over, but I was going to take my profit, you know, at or close to 34. Plus, I was up money. I was up good money, so I was taking my money. But like if you're playing 1 micro or 2 micros, you did not make enough on that drop to cash out. But I don't know. I kind of think you're looking halfway decent here, Keith. So dump it or mooning it. If you told me I had to choose right now if we were going to go up or down, the only reason I would say down would be because we're right under 20,200. But like nothing's telling me to short this thing. I mean, I've gotten more buy signals than sell, but we'll see. I mean, is this somewhere I want to trade? Like, not really. I'm not looking to trade right here. I mean, first of all, I made a good amount of money today anyways. You know, in theory, I can just, I mean, these funded accounts, it's, you know, 2, 4, 5, 6 minus 100 is 5. I don't know. I'm up like $1,100 in funded accounts. Like I don't feel the need to start freaking slamming it. Plus I got some evals up a good amount. You might be waiting for the election results for a little bit. I mean, we might just chop around, you know, in the zone. The range might be this for the day. That I will brag later about this short. Hey, I mean, I'm with you. I probably would go short than long. Here, Keith. You know what I'll do, Keith? Watch this. What is this, anyways? We get another little bounce up. I'll take a short and I'll stop out at 12. There's definitely things I don't like about it, but I mean, it looks like it's, yeah. I'm freaking. I was gonna take 3 micros short, but I just took 5 to the upside, and I just got like quick $40. Oh, my back literally just cracked. All I did was lean back like Fat Joe. Oh man. I mean, the reason why I don't really like the short is everything I have is giving me, up signals, I guess you'd call it. It's just not really a spot that I would be like, oh man, we need to get in long or we need to get in short. If you went in short, you'd set your stop would be, right up here. 213 would be my stop. But I mean, you're making higher lows here. It's not like we're if you held that short, you'd be up 400 by the end of the day. What, hold the short from up here, Keith? Maybe. Maybe. I just don't like that it's making higher lows. Are you Coach Keith? Are you Coach Keith? What up, Coach? I'm sure you trade better than the guys on Topstep. I wanted to start fading them, but I don't know how to get notification when they get into trades. I would get an account that just fades them. Does nothing else but fades Topstep. I think that would have been hysterical. Man, this thing's going to go to the moon. Yeah, if I got notifications for every trade that they took and just went the opposite way, I think that'd be hysterical. I just don't know how to do it. Like, they don't announce their trades anywhere, right? It's just on the live stream. And I'm not about to sit on their live stream. sit there and listen to Coach D. Not about that life. Damn, that was a nice move. What's going on with Topstep? Why almost no streamer uses it? Just right now, they don't have any deals. Right now, it's $50 for an account, and then $150 once you pass that account. So it's two. If you pass on the first account, it's $200. If I pass on my first Apex account, it's $110 for a funded account. If I pass on my first Take Profit Trader account, it's $105 an account. If I pass on my first My Funded Futures account, it's $76. So why would I pay $200? Also, there's a whole thing about their TopX platform. I guess there's high slippage people have been talking about. Slippage is when you hit enter or sell, you get like a bad price. So that's probably why. Yeah. I mean, I think the company in general is good, but with the pricing, how it's set up currently, I'm not really interested. It's usually it's these guys, Take Profit Trader, My Funded Future, or Apex is primarily where I trade. Yeah, that's what I keep hearing. I mean, I have the worst pass rate with Topstep out of all the firms. I literally have the worst pass rate. So I'm just going to chill out and not use it. The best part about this stuff is like I don't even need to complain about it. I just move to another firm. I like, who gives, like, at the end of the day, I'm just kind of like, whatever. If there's slippage, it's not my fault. You know, I'm not using them. You guys can use it. I just go where I like to trade. Yeah, they were one of the early ones. But the size-wise, Apex is like double the size of them. Apex is the largest one. Apex is the largest one by far. Like, it's not even close. Are we going to get, is this a retest? I guess a retest would be 05. The orb retest would be 05, would bring us to right around here, I guess. I would try that out with a little taste. Oh, they were the first one to introduce copy trading. Yeah, I could see that with the 20 accounts. You know, yeah, because you can get 20 accounts, copy trade them all. It's so funny because Apex made that video last year at the end of the year saying how you can make 80 grand in a month. You get 20 accounts, you get payouts twice a month, $40,000 and then $40,000, and then they showed you how you can make 80 grand in a month, and then they were bitching that people were coming on gambling. It was like, bro, you made a video showing people how you get 20 accounts and you just slam them to get them over and then slam them to get payouts. And then after you make that video, you tell everybody, oh, you guys are just gamblers. Like, bro, you forced this on everybody. That was the craziest part. So funny. Oh, it was crazy also. I mean, I don't know. Schemers and scammers, but yet you just told me about you just told me to freaking do it. It's got a hold right here. Got a hold. Nah, we're gonna fucking sell off. Don't do this to me. Get back over to freaking 200, man. Oh, give me a big green. Give me a big green one. No, no, don't want to do it. Don't want to do it. No, Monica. That's why I went half size one account. We can get back to like 207 would be interesting to short with a stop being high a day over here. Man, it's bounced here every single time. I'll tell you what I did so far. I bought VKTX and I sold 72 covered calls against it, and then I also sold a 63 put. Everything expires this week. What else did I do today? I have stock positions I sold calls against, which was TDW. I sold covered calls on TDW. I sold calls on LUNR, covered calls. I don't even like this. I don't even like this. Fuck me. I literally was just saying I don't like this. But Paul, that's pretty much what I was doing. Here, I'll show you. So I had 100 shares of TDW. I sold 70 covered calls. This, I bought 100 shares plus sold 63 puts plus sold calls against my position. Sold covered calls on LUNR. I accidentally sold this the other day and I held it over the weekend. Awful fucking entry. Just awful. I just played this account so fucking bad right now. So bad. GD, they might be doing $40 on the 300Ks. I know they were doing $40 on 150, 250s, and 300s. Try it. Put the code in and see what happens. Actually, here, I'll do it right now. I'm doing this screen. Let's see what happens. Tradeovate, we'll go to 300s. Bum, 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 bum. Oh, man. All right. It's $50 for the 300Ks. 50 bucks. And they're still doing, if you pass, it's $85 activation fee. Yep. Yeah. I don't know what your pass rate is, but yeah, 50, you know, it's definitely a decent. Them doing the $85 one-time activation fee is definitely nice. You know, like I trade 50K accounts, so it's 33 bucks. That's the code. It's also scrolling on the. It's in the description of this video. It's in the description of this video, and it's scrolling on the bottom. And I just put it in the chat. That will give you 50 bucks and $85 activation fee. I don't, I just think firms just want to be different in some aspects. I don't know why they didn't do a 25K account. I don't trade 25K accounts, so I don't really know. I didn't even know that they didn't until you just brought it up. And then I was like, oh yeah, they don't have it. I don't know why. You're welcome, GD. Yeah, it's just one of those things. I'm not really, I don't really know. I'm just taking a little piece right here. This is a risky trade. I might hold this thing. Nah, you know what? I'm probably out. I'm out. I'm just, if I was up, I'm just trying to make back I'm trying to turn this freaking account green. Yeah, $50. It's $50, and then when you pass, the activation fee is $85. Uh it is easier, but at the same time, it's not because the drawdown is smaller, so you can easily hit 1250 or 1500. Um, there's I don't know quite a bit of times I'll go down 1250 in an account and then I bring the account right back. So I think it all depends on what you like, but I don't go higher than 50 because 50 you got to earn 3,000 and it's 2,500. The issue with like the 150s are like you got to make 9,000, but you can only go down like 5,000 or 4,500. It becomes harder as they get bigger. So that's why I kind of stick to the 500s, but people love the big accounts. People, because the big accounts, once you're funded, are better than the smaller accounts. The bigger accounts are definitely better once funded. Looking pretty good at the up. It's not really my type of pattern to play. All good, man. If you have any questions, just pop it in here, and I'll help you out. Is this gonna break this like little bear flag here? There's not much room to the downside, which I don't like. We're getting close. That's what I don't like, is there's not much meat on the bone to the downside. Don't love it. Don't love it. I might just I might stop out here. $10, $15. The more I look at it, there's too many things. But Cove, I snagged 2 Blue Sky accounts, both static. I have 1 live, 1 eval. So far, good with them. Best customer service. Yeah, I'll be honest, I have never, I intended at one point to get an account with them and trade it on the stream. I did the whole, but I have too many accounts. I got trouble trading all these accounts. But if it works for you, it works for you. That's what I tell everybody. Oh man, should have held. There's something with their drawdown though. It sucks. The Blue Sky drawdown is freaking tight. Right? What's the drawdown on your account? I bet you it's tight. Somebody was trading in there. They had to make like $3,000, and the drawdown was like $800 or something like that. Oh, Zadia was the person. Zadia traded with them. He moved off of them because he had to make like $3,000, and the drawdown was freaking tight. Yeah, it was like stupid. I kept telling him, I was like, dude, get off of there. Yo, Ray, you were trading. What were you trading, dude? I was trading my funded futures, Take Profit Trader, and Tradeify all at once today. Oh, that either goes really well or really bad. Yeah, Moolah, I'm up. I'm doing well. Dude, you were up $19,000 today and you didn't stop, Ray? Was that all? You were up $19,000 today? Holy shit. What the fuck just happened? Hold on. Hold on. What just happened? Dude, these are all orders I didn't even know about. Holy shit. These are old orders I put in. Oh, check your orders. Dude. Wow. Dude, did you just see that? Oh, we bounced off VWAP. I got filled. I got filled a lot of places I didn't want to get filled. Jeez. I made money. Oh, baby. Well, it dropped right down to VWAP. I just got nervous because I got nervous because I didn't even know where the orders were coming out of. VWAP can't hold this trash. I don't know. We'll see. I'm not playing it in a funded account, Keith. I can tell you that. I am not playing in a funded account. This is an eval situation. Anytime it's an eval situation, it is definitely not great. Have I watched any cool movies lately? I've been watching TV shows. I've been watching Industry on Max. I've been watching Industry. I just watched Receiver on Netflix. Uh yeah, we're doing pretty good over here. Was it good? Yeah, Receivers was good, man. It was like Quarterback. It's Peyton Manning's company. It was like Quarterback, but instead of quarterbacks, they use receivers. The fuck is this? Damn, again. I got fucking orders on all these accounts. I got too many orders in these accounts that Yeah, receiver is good. Industry is good. If you like the stock market, watch industry. That shit's really good. Yeah, industries on Max, it's pretty good. I'm trying to think what else is out there. I watch this shit with my wife. She wants to watch Selling Sunset and some of the other BS stuff, $1 Million Listing, stuff like that. She watches. I just don't want to kill this account for something stupid. I'll wait. Um, yeah. Other than that, man, like by the time I watch TV, I only have so much time, and I've been watching. Industry is almost. I think each show is like 50 minutes. So I'm on season 3, which means that's eaten up a lot of nights because I only get about an hour of TV a night. So it is what it is. I just covered that AMD put that I sold. I didn't even mean to hold it over the weekend, but it worked out. But I'm out. Yeah, old movies are better. I love like the old guys that did Wedding Crashers, and they did like Old School, and they did a bunch of other movies like that. That's like when you did Adam Sandler, and he had a bunch of movies that were pretty good, like Grandma's Boy and Billy Madison. Like I feel like there's different eras of comedies, and uh, right now they don't really have that. Even the Marvel movies are starting to be like to me. They were really good in the beginning, and now I'm just kind of like, I don't know, kind of over them. They need to make it. They need to make it like exciting again, like a big build up. I think that's what they're trying to do with that, like Secret Wars. Grandma's Boy, bro. Grandma's Boy is one of my favorite movies, man. That shit was that was amazing, man. That's one you could just throw in and laugh with your friends. Yeah, nice call, Keith. That was a really nice short. I mean, in theory, you could go a lot lower. I don't know how they calculate the discount zone. I wonder how that works. Like they calculated that this is the discount zone, but how? I'll just fucking grab a quick scalperoo. Pursuit of Happiness. That was a good movie. I felt sad though. I felt so bad for the guy. You know, now he's super successful. I like watching documentaries. I watch a lot of documentaries about things. Documentaries. If you haven't watched The Restless Billionaire, I bet it's about Carl Icahn. That was really good. That was a real good documentary. Yo, what up, Slade? Yeah, I wish at the end of the yeah, they probably weren't going to do that. Are they not going to bounce this shit? I don't even like it. I don't even trust this. How's that sound? I don't trust this bounce. I don't trust it. I can't even get out. Fuck me. Get out. I think we're going even lower, Keith. This thing's weak. This thing's weak, weak. Oh. Oh, you know what we did? We actually fell. Why did this stop here? This thing's not calculating right. But anyways, kind of feels like we're going lower. I mean, could be in for like a little bounce here. What are we at? 6, 5? I'll risk it. I'll risk some eval money. There, they start pumping it. I wouldn't risk any funded money here. You're at the gym? Dude, I've traded at the gym before, man. This thing's just fuck it. I'm risking the whole account right here. I'll risk this whole account. There we go. Get some money right there. Trading at the gym is dangerous. I love it. Get the degen freaking juices going. Will you trade funded tomorrow? Yeah, why not? Why not trade funded tomorrow? Is there some reason I can't? What up, Blue? What's the deal with tomorrow with can't trade funded? Is that like can't triple stamp a double stamp? Riskier? Bro, not only am I going to be trading my funded account during the day, I'm going to be streaming election night tomorrow night, 8 o'clock probably. Beyond where I'm going to be trading and I'll have the election up. We can watch it and freaking just hang out. I'll be streaming tomorrow night. Yo, I want it swinging around like an elephant nose, man. See, I don't like what we got going on right now. We're kind of just grinding lower. It doesn't really present trades. I would be looking for longs more than shorts as we grind. Just doesn't make sense for me. Let's go on the old Discord. Let's see what Keith slammed. Dude, that's legit. Would you go up to 10 micros, Keith? Is that what you went up to? 10 micros? I didn't. So, Keith, I see what you were putting here with the $10,000 account. I've done it with not the $10,000 account, and I did it with an eval, and it still worked. See, I liked it right here, right there. I didn't hold because I'm a freaking loser. I didn't hold. You know why I didn't hold? I didn't think there was much room. I thought we were going to end up bouncing back up into this area. The old copy trading. Here, for all you guys that don't know, Keith slammed it. Boom. If you want to hang out, that's the link. But, dude, I'm going to get lunch. I'm freaking starving. I'll be back at 2 o'clock. So I'll see you guys in a couple hours. I will be back then. Hopefully I don't do too much dumb shit between now and then, and my accounts still look the same. All right. I'll see you guys. Can I get the clap? I'll give you the clap, bro. That's a good day, Keith. That's a real good day. I'll see you guys at 2 o'clock. Peace.